In last class, I have discussed how you have to convert a number from hexadecimal to decimal. In today, I will discuss how you have to convert a number, decimal number, into binary number, and the decimal number containing fractional part also. So, first of all, I have to take this number 27.125 base 2. You have to convert base 10. You have to convert into base 2. The number in decimal have two parts. One is integer part and another is fractional. So you have to know how you have to convert the 27 into binary. In first class, in number system, I have discussed how you have to convert a decimal number into binary. So start from here, divided by the base of the binary. So divide by 2, it's give you 13, the remainder 1. Now divide with this, 6 with 1. Now divide with 2, 3 with 0. Now divide with 2, 1 with 1. So this is 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So this is, you have to convert the number 27 into binary. And this is, write such a from here to here. 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Now you have to convert the fractional part. So take the fractional value. This is 0.125. Multiply its base of the number system in which you have to convert. So you have to convert it binary, and base of the binary is 2. Multiply with 2 and write it. So let's give you 250, and here integer part is nothing. So this is integer. You take this integer part and multiply with base with the fractional part. So right now take the fractional part and multiply with 2. It's give you 500. Now it gives 0 also. So take this part and multiply with the 2 in the fractional part. It give you 1.000. Take this part, and now fractional part will also be 0. So no need to multiply. So this is the part you have to write. This is your conversion of 0.125 into binary. So write this. This is 0, 0, 1. So we have to convert this number into binary. One more question on this. So we take a number 11.250. Now we want to convert this decimal number into binary. So number have two parts. One is integer part and another is fractional part, and you have to know how to convert it 11 into this. So convert 11, divide by 2, it's give you 5, 1 remainder, divide by 2, it's give you 2, 1 remainder, divide by 2, it's give you 1, 0 remainder. So number is 1, 0, 1, 1. This is the binary conversion of 11. Now you have to convert the value 0.250, and you have to multiply it with 2. It's give you 0.500. Save the integer part Now multiplied with 2, it's give you 1.000. Save the integer part, so fractional part will from 0. So the answer is this 1011.01 into. So you have to convert this number into decimal number into 1, and this number decimal number contain fractional value also. So I give you these 4 questions as a homework. 31.125 base 10 to base 2, 21.250 base 10 to base 2, 23.750 base 10 to base 2, and 61.500 base 10 to base 2. In homework, you have to convert these 4 numbers into binary. So in this class, I also want to discuss one question on how you have to convert the binary number which is in fractional part, and you have to convert this number into decimal. So first of all, note down these things, and now I will take the number 11011.001. This is number, and I want to convert this number into decimal. So take the power of its base. So this is 2 power 0. This one 2 power 1. This one 2. This one 2 power 3, and this one is 2 power 4. Now here, when you go from points value to this left sides, you start with this is 2 power 1, this is 2 power 2, and this is 2 power 3, and in minus 2, and this is 2 power minus 3. So see, from points value you go the left side, you have take that is place value, and place value start with minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, some more digits, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. So start multiplying with it. So 1 into 2 power minus 3 plus 0 into 2 power minus 1 plus 0 into 2 power minus plus. So take this number, now calculate this value. So this is 0 into 2 power minus 1, 0 multiplied by anything, it gives you 0, plus 0 multiplies 2 power minus 2, 0 multiplied by anything gives you 0. So this is 1 into 2 power minus 3 means 1 by 8. So divide 1 by 8. So 1 divided by 8 points 10, 8 by 8. Now it gives you 2. Now this is 20, 8 to the 16, it gives you 4, 8 0, 8 5 ja 14. So it gives you 0.125. So in fractional part it gives you 0.125. And now you solve this part, and you have solved already. So this is 1 into 2 power 0 plus 1 into 2 power 1 plus 0 into 2 power 2 plus 1 into 2 power 3 plus 1 into 2 power 4. 2 power 4, 2 power 0, 1, 1 into 1, 1. 2 power 1, 2 into 1, 2. 2 power 2, 4 into 0, 0. 2 power 3, 8 into 1, 8. 2 power 16, 4, 16 into 1, 16. 16 plus 8, 24, 26, 127. So this is 27. And now this part I have already calculated and give you 0.125. So this is 27.25. Yes. Okay. So this is also be proved. First of all, you have take the number decimal and binary. Now I take the number in binary form and convert it into the decimal. So I think you have understand how you have to convert a decimal number which also have a value in fractional part, and you have to convert into decimal. So in this video, I think it is sufficient. So thank you very much, and next part I will discuss in the next class. Thank you very much.